Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default app settings. On above you will search about PayPal and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.